Hello, students of Oxbridge English School Class 2. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope everybody is fine and learning the lesson what I had given yesterday from science. Today I will take your geography class. So bring your geography book and open the book. You see, yesterday I made one routine for you and I showed you in my science class that this is the way I will take your class. Tuesday science, Wednesday yesterday means geography, Thursday rapid reader, Friday health wise, Saturday Bangla, Sunday radiant reading and Monday religion. So today is my class of geography. So open your geography book and chapter number 6, that is rainfall. You have completed chapter 5, that was cloud in your school. So now we will know what is rainfall and what is the advantage and disadvantages of rain. So see and understand mindfully, then I will give you some question answer to learn as homework. Lesson 6, rainwater. In the rainy season, we see grey and dark clouds in the sky. Now these are, the rainy season is coming. You see in the sky, you will see some clouds are grey type color, some are dark clouds. The dark clouds bring heavy rainfall. All the clouds do not bring the rainfall. Only the dark and heavy clouds bring the rainfall because there is inside water vapor. You see, these are the clouds and the dark and heavy clouds are bringing the rain. Some rainwater sinks into the ground to collect as groundwater. What is the meaning of sink? Sink means going inside the ground. Means in Bangla we say dube jai. So some rainwater sinks into the ground to collect as groundwater. And the rainwater changes into vapor and is carried up with the air. What is vapor? Vapor is the steam. When we give heat to some water, it becomes in a gaseous form. So it mixes with the air. This makes the air around us damp and moist. Damp and moist means, moisture means full of water particle. See here, in hilly area, region means area. In hilly area, rainwater flows down the hills. In the plains, water flows into tanks, ponds and rivers. The rivers carry the water into the ocean. So what is the process? In the hilly area, water if coming down there, it flows from top to bottom of the hill. And in the plain area, where will the water go of rainwater? It flows into tanks, ponds and rivers. And the rivers carry the water into the ocean. So what is ocean and what is river? We know ocean is bigger than river. River is like small, narrow but long. It comes from the hilly area and go mix with the ocean water. So rainwater is necessary for human beings and animals. Rainwater is also necessary for crops and trees. Crop means what? In Bangla we say shosho. All the paddy, vegetables, everything is crops. So this rainwater is very helping to grow crops and trees. So heavy rainfall is harmful. You see, rainfall is very necessary, but if it is heavy rainfall means continuously raining for a couple of days. That is heavy rainfall. It is not good, it is harmful. Too much rain washes away the soil of our fields. It may also cause floods. How it causes floods? The level of water in the river rises and water goes over their banks. Bank means the end of the river, kinara. So if the water is too much, then the river water is rises, and where it will go? It will go over the banks and it makes flood. It may run into towns and homes also. From our house we are in town, we see that when there is heavy rainfall, then we see the road is under the water. That is due to heavy rainfall and flood. Animal and crops may be washed away. People become homeless. So these are the disadvantage of heavy rainfall. You see how much this village is gone under the water. So it is not good. But too little water is also harmful. That means heavy rainfall is bad, and then too little rainfall means there is no rainfall for long time. That is also not good. How? Lakes, ponds and rivers may dry up. If there is no rain for long time, then what will happen? Ponds water, river water, lake water, everything will dry up. There may not be enough drinking water available. Crops fail for want of water. Want of water means পানির অভাবে. So the crops fail, মানে শস্য বাড়ে না, মরে যায়. So all this may cause famines. Famines means দুর্ভিক্ষ. So if there is no water and if there is no crops, no vegetable, no fruits, no paddy, then we will be a lack of foods. That causes famines. Famines means lack of food. So both floods and famines are harmful to crops, cattle and human beings. So these are the important things of rainwater. So now we know how the rainwater comes, and then if it is heavy rainfall, what is the bad effect, and if it is too little rainfall, then what it is bad effect, and why the rainfall is important. So things to remember: the dark clouds bring heavy rainfall. The water that collects under the ground is called groundwater. I will take it from filling the blanks. Flood and famines are harmful to crops, cattle and human beings. So you have to remember this. And then there is question answer, A, B, C, D. I have prepared a note on it. So I will show you this note and you will learn this, because again this geography I will take next 1 week after. So there is lot of time you can learn it. So slowly learn and copy in very neat and clean like this, in black and red pen. Question will be with red pen, answer will be in black pen. So this is your geography, learn and write. So first question is, see in your page number 22. Which cloud brings heavy rainfall? Answer: the dark clouds bring heavy rainfall. Question number 2. What makes the rain around us damp and moist? Rainwater changes into vapor. Vapor means gaseous state, or in Bangla bashpo, and mix with air. So rainwater changes into vapor and mix with air. This makes the air damp and moist. Moist means bheja bheja. Question number 3. Why is heavy rainfall harmful? Answer: heavy rainfall is harmful because it causes floods, wash away the soil of our fields, animals and crops also. Crops means shosho. People become homeless. So why rainfall is harmful? This is the answer. You will learn it nicely and memorize it and write in your copy. So last question is question number 4. Why is little rainfall harmful? Little rainfall is harmful because it causes famines. Famines means durvikho, means we do not get food. So lakes, ponds and rivers may dry up. We have not enough drinking water and crops die for shortage of water. So these are your homework, 1 week's homework, and you will read this full chapter nicely. Do reading again and again, see the picture, try to understand these full things, very colorful, and things, very important things to remember for filling the blanks. And then these questions I have given you in the copy. So just slowly write it down, and other things you will do by yourself, tick mark, and then all other. If you don't understand it, ask me, I will help you in the next class. So Thank you class 2 of Oxbridge English School for today and Allah Hafiz.